Hello developers, welcome back to my channel Coding with Anu. Git and GitHub, are they same? Definitely no. I will show you the difference. First, Git. Actually, what is Git? Git is a program or a tool that lives on your system. Means it saves all your work. Every time when you change your code, Git remembers it. It's something like a save button in your game. Suppose if you made a mistake, no issue. Git help you to go back. Means you can see your older version of your project or your code. The best part is Git works without internet. It's all on your system. Now GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub actually a website. It's something like cloud. You can save your Git project there. Then why we use GitHub? I will tell you four reasons. The first reason is you can save your project online. You can share your code with others. The team collaboration is possible here, and you can show your project to everyone, to the entire world. Then what's the big difference between these two things? I will tell you. First, Git, I'm already tell you that Git is a program or a tool that lives on your system. You can definitely work offline and free to use. But in case of GitHub, it's a website. It lives on internet, so you need Wi-Fi to access it, and for basic use cases, it's free. For example, you can think like it. Git is a Word or Microsoft PowerPoint on your system, and GitHub is like a Google Docs. Your next question definitely will be, how do they work together? I will tell you in four simple steps. Step number one, you use Git to save your project. Step number two, send this Git project to GitHub. So step number three, others can see this as your project or a particular part of your code. Final step, they will download it with their Git. That's simple. Always remember one thing. Git is a tool, but GitHub is a website. Now you know. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.